Yeah, hello, amazing customers. It is your boy again, Steven Stone Design. We are working in Kaswa Chipa Junction, and I'm here today to give you update the cost of the stone material, the workmanship, and everything that you need to know. Let's go. Yeah, so as you can see, I was there and this customer gave me a call that Steven, I want you to beautify my house with a natural stones that the design for looks so unique for me. Anything that you want to do for your heart inside. And the truth about this design we say the cost so bad did you really bargain about the price. As I saw boss give me this money, we don't really bargain about that one because you understand that the way that we do in Ghana here now it involve a lot of days and you want something unique and something beautiful on his beauty. So boss me that be my job. So if you want that now, I'll do a very nice design for you that you never do for nobody before. And later he sent me he sent me later he sent me the stone material money and I supplied the stone material to his location. You understand me? Later and I supplied the stone material to his location, which is the marble stones as you dey see right now. You see, because officially we have to lay the marble stones for also the pillars and inside all finish. You understand me? So along the way, and as so boss, no, this one when you apply the same marble stones on the pillar and the boss, is not going to click like that. So let us involve the stone cladding for the pillars and the cutting stone for the bosses, and you are set for top. So Steven, that be your job. That be your job also. We know what I can do. And you involve a 2 kilos of a stone cladding for these pillars. So you see, that cost him a 8,000 Ghana cedis cuffs. 1 kilo is 4,000. You see, so nice one. You see, so nice and beautiful. So that's the one. That be what you use to do the front pillars, and so remain also plenty remain, and that be also you use to do the back pillars. You see, that be what you use also to do the back pillars. You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, but one thing we say, as for the coping, this coping like this now, they may say you have to come again and make them big. So they have to expand the coping for. They have to expand the coping. So I'll tell the boss so that they'll come and expand the coping so that it looks so beautiful. You see, when you look for this front view now, they call them abozigi. Just look at the stones. You see, look at the design. You see, as for this design now, you don't make them smooth, you make them rough. You see, nice one. You see, you make them rough. You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, you make them rough. So whatever a day, you give us a call. You see, but Caleb, just want to away power. Yeah. Because some stones they no go plenty like this, so you understand me? Yeah. Because this one no like, yeah. You see that we watching about stones, because sometimes this stone carrying are something you you see, needs work. You understand me? Very nice and beautiful. You see. Hey, Chairman. Alpha. You see, and we also lay the stones, under the building. You see, this prevent your building from dampness. You see, this stones like this prevent your building from dampness. Trust me. Stones like this prevent your building from dampness. A stone like this prevent your building from dampness, as you can see. You see, a stones like this prevent your building from dampness, as you can see. You see, very neat one. You see, you don't give a rope, Anna. Hmm? But what do you think like Kobe could fit you better than this boy? Hmm? That be the one way me ready to go listen, the one way he go the challenge. You see, this one days where the work to they go fast no. You see that thing? Eh. Pokporoko. Hey, Gelo. Hmm? Below, what is cover SS no? What will you do that time I will tell you, Massa Qualicadui? Tak Poroko, I've seen your one there. You see, very nice and neat. So, whatever you locate yourself, give us your call. Our service is available across the country, as you can see. You see, neat design. Yeah, you see, as for here now, they have already fixed the gate and the space will be too small. You see, so as for here now, you will lay the cutting stones. You will fix the design stone for this portion. So that will take cover everything. So yeah, because this one the space will be too small, so the stone cladding can be on this portion unless you lay the cutting stones. And cutting stones, you already have some here. Some is available, so you put them on. Yeah. Yeah, so as for here, You will try and cover everything, you see. You cover everything with the natural stones. Professional. Hmm? Miguel. Hmm? Miguel. Hmm? Hmm? Miguel. No, Miguel. 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 Oh, your papa never run like me. I think camera never glance. Ebe oni akpo. Awa no nuru cho cho cho. Awa nuru cho cho cho. So whatever I did. So you cover this place also. You see, you cover this place with the cutting stones. You see, because of the space here and here, it be too small. So cutting stones, it will be one of the best, one of the better skill. Okay. Professional. Professional. Pro.